With the dual heading widget as part of the aThemes add-ons for Elementor plugin, you can create impressive headers by styling two parts of the heading individually. Use the search function to search for the widget or find it here in the list. Simply activate it, it is automatically saved, and now just go to the page where you want to add the widget. Use the search function or scroll down to the aThemes add-ons category, find your widget and drag and drop it. Before looking at the options, I want to show you a few examples that we've built with this widget. So you can see different colors, an animated background, background color, a static background image on one of the words, different fonts, text shadow. You can combine any of these styling variations to achieve an impressive heading. Let's go back to the options now. So, of course, you can change the text. The text is split into the first part and the second part. You can change the HTML tag. You can choose a heading, a span, a paragraph, or a div. You can display on different lines if you want, something like this. You can add a link, and of course you can align. Let's go to the styling options. So you can see you have two sets of options. One, you have the styling options for the first part, and next you have the styling options for the second part. Let's go to the first part. So the styling options are pretty clear. You can change the text color like this. You can add a border, some padding, some margin if you want. For example, you can do like this if you want to add some space between the two parts of the heading. You can even change the color for the border or set a radius if you want, something like this. Of course, you can add a background image like I've shown you in the examples. Let's get this. Let's change the settings, something like this. And you can change, you can clip the text. So basically, the background image will be shown inside the words, inside the letters, like this. And of course you have the typography options and also the text shadow options. You can change the font family or the size, weight, anything you need. Of course, this can also be changed individually for each of the two headings. Let's remove the background, for example. Let's remove this margin right here. And let's remove the padding, so you can see how it looks. Maybe let's make this bigger. Now you can clearly see the background image here. Of course, you can change it in a responsive manner. So, for example, we don't need the heading to be this big on a small screen, so we're just going to do something like this. And of course, we can go to the second part and also style it as well, like this, something, for example, or it can have a different color or whatever else you need.